Hello from Seoul. We've done millions of quick and easy recipes, but this bad boy is in a different league. Trust me, my life has changed a lot after I met this bad boy. Today, we're gonna be making Taiwanese style chicken rice, one of the simplest, easiest, and most delicious chicken dishes of all time. Ever since I tried this dish at a restaurant, I made it almost every week. Yes, it's that simple and easy to put together. The taste? Don't worry about it. Once you try it, you're gonna fall in love with this. For this, you will need some garlic, ginger, chili pepper, chicken, and garlic scapes. That's it. So simple, right? What? You can't get these garlic scapes? Don't worry about it. You could also use some asparagus or green beans. So as always, just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, let's prep the vegetables. First, finely chop 5 cloves of garlic. What? You're a garlic lover? Then you could use 10 cloves of garlic. Maybe. That could be more delicious. And then grate a small knob of ginger. About 1 teaspoon would be enough. Once that's done, thinly slice 1 red chili. Actually, this is mainly for color, so make sure you use a mild one. What? It's hard to get it? Then red bell pepper could be a good substitute. Now let's prep today's star ingredient, garlic scapes. We're gonna use about 200 grams, so take a big handful of garlic scapes and cut them into half-inch pieces. At this point, some of you might be thinking, Aaron, I thought you were an ambassador of green onion. Where's that green dude? Sadly, wait for it, we're not gonna use it today. But don't worry about it. When this bad boy meets our lovely chicken, that will create an amazing flavor. So let our green onion have a day off. This time, let's mince the chicken. Today, I'm gonna be using 250 grams of boneless skinless chicken breast and the same amount of chicken thighs. If you only use chicken breast, it can be a little dry and tough. Yeah, that fat from chicken thighs will make it more moist and flavorful. So I highly recommend using both of them. For information, when I tried this dish for the first time, it was made with ground pork. So if you're a big fan of pork, just go ahead and use it. They'll be fantastic too. And besides these 2 proteins, you could also use other proteins like beef, lamb, or even tofu. So please get creative and make your own style. Everything will be fantastic. Now let's make the sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of Chinese chili bean paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Here, if you're a big fan of spicy food and want to make it even spicier, then add 1 or 2 dry chilies. But I'm gonna skip it today. Finally, it's cooking time. Get yourself a wok or a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the minced chicken and flatten it out as if you're making a pancake. And then we're gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. Once the chicken is nicely browned on the bottom, flip and cook the other side. Make sure you break up the chicken and keep tossing it around so that most of the liquid has evaporated. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes. When the chicken is cooked and you've got some fat from the chicken, add the garlic, ginger, garlic scapes, and saute those for about 2 minutes. These aromatics will add wonderful flavors and fragrance to your dish. Once your kitchen smells incredible, so you almost want to make it into a perfume, pour the sauce you made and give it a good stir for about 2 more minutes. When time's up, grab a spoon and give it a quick taste. And then add a pinch of salt if it's needed. When it tastes perfect to you, turn the heat off. And add some red chili, half a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and give it a final mix. Alright, we're done now. But serving this dish without a crispy fried egg, that's kind of a crime. You guys all know pakrapao, right? It's like the same thing. So let's go ahead and quickly make a fried egg. In another pan, add a generous amount of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, but not necessarily super hot, add your egg and tilt the pan so that the egg can kind of like fry in it. What? You kind of worry about oil splatter? Then just carefully pour that hot oil with a spoon. Alright, the egg is done. Let's put them all together. Put some rice onto a plate and add a generous amount of our chicken stir fry. And then on top of that, add our beautifully cooked crispy fried egg and sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. How does it look? It looks absolutely amazing, right? Alright, let's call our taste tester. Claire.
와, 엄청 맛있어 보이네. And it smells awesome. At the supermarket, I never pay attention to how these garlic scapes look because it was an unusual ingredient for me. When I saw it at first, I was really shocked because it was really huge. I'm not gonna lie, it was this much big, just like our giant green onions. So don't be surprised and don't be overwhelmed when you see them at your local Asian grocery store. Anyways, it looks super delicious. Let's give it a try. I especially like this fried egg on top. It looks so beautiful. Crispy edges and runny yolk. Perfection. 맛있겠다. Wow. I made a bite with a little bit of everything. Let's give it a try. 살짝 매콤하면서 되게 맛있네. 마늘종이 향이 샥 퍼져가지고 엄청 향기롭고 맛있어. 입안에서 마늘종이 씹히는 순간 그 중간중간에 막 터지는 게 훨씬 더 향이 막 살아. 꼭 대파를 쓰는 게 아니어도 이렇게 향기 나는 재료가 있네. 맛있네. 맛있어. 이거 만약에 아스파라거스나 그린빈으로 하면은 식감 자체는 비슷하게 따라올 수 있긴 할 것 같거든? 근데 그 향이 좀 없으니까 무조건 마늘이나 대파를 넣어서 향을 전반적으로 샥 입혀주는 게 중요할 것 같아. 내가 요리 전문가는 아니지만 나만의 해석을 넣었어요. 일단 이 소스가 아무튼 엄청나. 매콤 짭짤한 게 밥이랑 먹기 딱이야 진짜. 와, 여기 마늘종 진짜 많다. 한 10개 있는 듯. 듬뿍듬뿍 넣어줘서 좋네. 맛있어. 마지막으로 없어서는 안 될 또 다른 주인공 계란 후라이어 먹어보겠습니다. I love this crispy fried egg. 아, 이게 또 역시 소스 역할을 제대로 할 것 같아. 젓가락으로 찢어야겠다. 여기 부분 완전 맛있겠다. Cheers! So good. 계란은 어떻게 하든 다 맛있지만 그 중에서 이 crispy fried egg가 너무 맛있어. 흰자 부분은 진짜 도톰하니 약간 플러피한데 겉에 가장자리 부분은 진짜 크리스피하니 짱 맛있네. 예술이다. 너무 잘 어울린다. Anyways, like I said earlier, don't be overwhelmed and give this a try. I'm sure you will love it. So good! 계란 후라이 하나 더 해오세요.
Today, I showed you how to make super simple chicken rice. How was it? It's so simple and easy to make, right? Not only that, it's tasty, nutritious, and so satisfying. I've never seen someone who doesn't love this dish. So please give this a try. If you do, you will see yourself making this dish twice a week. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.